Hello friends, today we are going to discuss a question which was asked in International Mathematical Olympiad IMO 1992. This question was problem 2 in that paper. This question stated find all the functions such that those functions satisfies this given functional equation and the function maps from all real to real. This was the question and today we are going to solve this problem. Before solving the problem, please like the video if you like the solution and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. So let's start the solution. In this problem, first of all, I am going to find the value of function at any given point. Let's start finding about f of 0 because I am going to find the value of f of 0. So let's start with that. The step 1 which I am going to use is or which I am going to take is put x equals to y equals to 0 in the given functional equation, and I call this functional equation as mother equation. Okay, x equals to y equals to 0 in this functional equation. What I will get is f of 0 plus f of 0 equals to f of 0 square plus 0. Okay, this is nothing but f of 0 equals to f of 0 square. Let's call f of 0 because we have to write f of 0 multiple times, so let's give it some symbol. F of 0 equals to t, then f of t equals to t square. Let's call this equation 1. Now let's take step 2. This is our first equation which we have got. Now let's take step 2. In the step 2, I am going to substitute only y equals to 0 in this mother equation. Then what will get f of 0 plus x square plus f of 0 equals to f square x plus 0. F of 0 is nothing but t which we have taken. So f of x square plus t equals to f square x. This is our equation 2. Now let's take step 3. The step 3 is we are going to substitute x equals to 0 and y as x. Here what we will get is f of x equals to, this is f of 0 square plus x. This is nothing but t square plus x. Okay, let's call this equation number 3. Now let's take step number 4. In this step, we are going to substitute y equals to f of 0 or t in this mother equation and x equals to f of 1. Because I want to establish some relation so that I can get f of 0, the value of f of 0. With these equations, I am not able to find those values. So I am taking another use of another point, x equals to 1. So let's do with that. X equals to f of 1. Then what I will get, x equals to f of 1, f of square 1 plus y is nothing but t, so I can write here f of t equals to x is f of 1, so f square f of 1 plus y is t. Okay, now this is nothing but f of 1 square, and if I substitute in the equation number 3 x equals to 1, I am substituting x equals to 1 in this equation, then what I am getting is f of 1 equals to t square plus 1. I am going to use this over here because I am squaring it, so t square plus 1 ka whole square plus t. Okay, now this will be written over here, so let's call this equation number 4. Now let's take the step number 5. In the step number 5, I am going to substitute x equals to f of 0, which is also t which we have taken, and y equals to 1 plus f of 0, which we can also write 1 plus t in the mother equation. Now we will get f of t square plus y will be 1 plus t, so t square plus f of 1 plus t equals to f square of t plus y is nothing but 1 plus t. Okay, now we have to somehow manage such that this term equates to this term. Here f square 1 and plus f of t is present. Here t square plus f of 1 plus t is present. Now we can make use of equation number 1, from where we can substitute t square as f of t. So f of t plus, now f of 1 plus t. If we observe carefully, we can get from equation number 2. I have written so neatly such that we can observe it very easily. Now f of 1 plus t. If I substitute x equals to 1 here, then what I am getting, 1 plus t equals to f square 1. So I can make use of this equation here also. What I will get is f square 1 equals to f square t plus 1 plus t. F of t is nothing but t square. So this can be also written as t raised by 4, because t square and again once more square, so t raised by 4 plus 1 plus t. Now this f of 1 ka whole square plus f of t. This is same as this. Therefore we will compare this part and this part. If we call this equation number 5, then from equation number 4 and equation number 5 we can get 1 plus t to the power 4 equals to t plus t square plus 1 ka whole square. Okay, this is our step number 5, equating 4 and 5. If I open the bracket, then what I will get is t to the power 4 plus 2t square plus 1. 1 plus t to the power 4. If I cancel this and this with this and this with this, what I will be left with, t equals to 0. Thus we can conclude that f of 0 equals to 0. So finally we have found the value of f of 0, which turns out to be 0. Now we can draw up some conclusions from these given equations which we have derived from the given mother equation. So let's draw some conclusions. What are our conclusions? Conclusion number 1 is, if I substitute t equals to 0 over here in equation number 2, I will get f of x square equals to f square x. And if I substitute t equals to 0 over equation number 3, then what I will get, that f of x equals to x, and these two equations will satisfy for all x belongs to real numbers. So these are our conclusions. Okay. Now what our next step will be, somehow I want to manage that the part that a function is there inside the function, I have to remove that somehow. I have to manage to remove that. So how can I remove is, let's substitute z equals to, z is some variable which is equals to f of y. Now I can write it like this also, f of y. Okay. Now f of y is nothing but y, because using this relation we can get this, that f of z is also equals to y. Now we have got two relations by assuming something, f of y is z. Now let's make use of this in our mother equation. Then we will get f of x square, f of y is nothing but z, equals to f square of x. We can make use of this equation over here, f square x equals to f of x square. So let's write this as this. Now there is y, and y is nothing but f of z. I am writing some this type in this way to observe something. Now let's substitute, x square also belongs to real numbers, so we can make substitution like x square equals to w, and w also belongs to real numbers. I am not writing that, but I hope you can understand. So let's x square is w, then w plus z equals to f of w plus f of z. Now a noteworthy equation we have got here. Everyone can see and just easily recognize that this is a well-known Cauchy's equation, and the solution for this, what we get after solving this Cauchy's equation is that the function is linear function, and this was what I was trying to achieve this using this whole methodology, that f is linear. Since I have concluded that f is linear, I can assume, let's switch the page. What I was concluded that f is a linear function. So let's write it. f was a linear function. So fx will be of the form ax for all x belongs to real R. Now the remaining task, because almost the question has been completed, the remaining task is to find the value of a. So let's substitute this function fx equals to ax in the given mother equation. So let's write. I am writing the mother equation once again here. Our equation was x square f of x square plus f of y equals to f square x plus y. Now if I make use of this which we had concluded there, so I can write it as f of x square plus ay equals to ax ka whole square plus y. Now f of something, then we can write is ax square plus ay equals to a square x square plus y. Now I can write it, if I rearrange it carefully, then I will get a square minus 1 y equals to a square minus a x square. Okay. Now since x and y are independent variables and also these two belong to real numbers, but yet these two quantities have to be equal, or I can say this if I make this to the left hand side, and it must become an identity, and for identity the coefficient of all the variables must be 0. I can do likewise also. So for this coefficient to be 0, x a square minus 1 equals to 0, we have got two values, a equals to plus minus 1, and for a square minus, because here we are getting and here, so a square minus a equals to 0, and from here we will get 0 and 1, and here also it will be and. So what are the common values of a here? Just a equals to 1 is the common value. Therefore the value of the function is nothing but x for all x belongs to real R. So hence this is our solution to this question. I am showing you the first page of this question once again. This was how I approached this question my way. I first tried to find the value of f of 0, which I found successfully 0. Then I drew some conclusions. Then after one substitution I got something like this, and I recognize that it is a Cauchy's equation, and we also know the derivation of the Cauchy's equation, how it comes out to be a linear function, and I made use of that this f must be a linear function, and then I just assume that fx equals to ax for all x belongs to real, and just I substituted to the mother equation. I got a equals to 1 and fx equals to x for all x belongs to real R, and this is my solution for this question. Thanks for watching.